you don't get your braids down to your butt or past your butt, then you're doing it wrong. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anna Simone. If you're new here, if you're not, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. So I feel like this intro just doesn't want me to be great for this video. I actually filmed this earlier, then I'd actually pre-filmed my intro, and what happened? I accidentally deleted it. Same thing this morning. So at this point, I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. Well, since I'm already doing this again for like the 4th time, I can at least tell y'all that like the braids have held up really well. They are called the jumbo knotless box braids, and I've never got jumbo braids before. I've always felt like, how they gonna look on me? But I'm actually really feeling it. As y'all can see, the parting is still good. It doesn't look too like, you know, rusty. They're super long, as y'all can tell, real cute. So with all that being said, I hope y'all enjoy this vlog. The lady was super sweet. She didn't talk my head off. She was super nice. She was straight to the point. She took like 3 hours to do them. So if y'all are interested in getting some jumbo knotless box braids and y'all in the Dallas area, I will have her information on the screen and linked in the description box for y'all to check her out. So I hope y'all enjoy this vlog, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. y'all, so I'm back home. My camera died. I gotta actually invest in another battery because my camera is always dying. I just want to end this video show y'all the finished result of the jumbo knotless box braids. I've never got jumbo braids before. Like, I'm always the type to get the small, really small ones that like take 10 years to take out. This typically me, but I decided to change it up and I really like them. Y'all can see like the parting looks so good. This hair is really light. Like, I really like that. Let me show you how long it is too, because it's super long. If you don't get your braids down to your butt or past your butt, then you're doing it wrong. So this is how they look. Super long. Yeah, way past my butt actually. I really liked her. She was super sweet. She was very quick. Y'all let me know what y'all think, if y'all would get this style hair. And I think I'm gonna wear these a lot of different ways. Like, I love the like high ponytail style with braids, so I'll do that as they start getting a little older. But yeah, this is the finished result. I'm gonna take some pictures, so y'all make sure to follow me on the gram because some pictures should be up before I even post this video. So follow me on the gram at Anna Crawford on Instagram. And yeah, y'all, I love y'all so much. Thank y'all for tuning in today, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.